how to book a ride on Uber. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can book a ride on Uber. To book a ride on Uber app, launch the Uber application and provided I'm assuming you're already logged into your account. From the Home tab, tap on the Enter Location option from the very top. So you can choose your current location as well. You can either enter a location manually or tap on Set Location on Map and simply allow your current location by tapping on this icon to set your current location, or you can go ahead and then simply type in the name wherever you are manually in this case. And once you've done that, we have to add in our destination. So just select your destination and simply add it like that, and we'll look for all of the gathering options that are available. You can choose between UberX, Wait and Save, Uber XL, a taxi, whether you're looking for a share ride, and all of the other different type of rides as well. Once done, you can tap the Choose button and confirm your pickup spot. Make sure to pin it properly over here. Then tap on Confirm Pickup. Once you've done that, if you haven't done so, you can choose a payment method. You can see all the different type of payment method, or you can tap on cash to later pay with cash and tap the next option. After that, it's going to basically look for a driver in this case, and you can continue seeing without fare, and once the ride has been accepted, your driver is going to reach at your pickup location. This way we can book a ride on Uber. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.